Hi guys, I'm happy to announce this is my third video on YouTube. I think it was a very successful video the last time. I got a huge mosaic lamb. Yeah, and guys, I don't think I'll post another video like this in 2 days because I'm making it right now. But I'm gonna actually post a video where I open the ticket thing and try to get the propeller cat. Well, I hope you guys love my montage. I hope you guys can see my new editing skills. See you later. Hi guys, so I didn't do that much. I just sold my YouTube today. But remember, I'm gonna be making a video on Wednesday about spending so many tickets trying to get the propeller cat. Stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna be making a Titanic video on Wednesday though. So on Thursday, be ready for one though. So guys, get ready. And all I want you guys to know is stay hard.